some of the best things in nature, along with the big mountains and waterfalls and vistas and amazing scenery that you can see out in the mountains and in nature. The other aspect is the smaller aspects of nature, the quiet, serene, peaceful lagoons and marshes. And this is actually from it's a spring runoff or winter runoff from the snow that's kind of over flooded the area here. There's a couple of ducks that I got I think a pretty cool video of that I'll post as well. But it's just, again, peaceful, serene. Just really helps to get your head right and relax and reset your soul. It's amazing. Love it. Okay, so this is my first sign of actual animal tracks that I've seen. So right here, I'm trying to tell what it is. I can't tell what that is, but it looks like it's definitely running. And over here, right here, there is, if you look closely, you can actually see little fingers or claws. I don't know what that is. It looks like it's too big for a squirrel. It's not a fox or anything. It's got to be smaller than that, but it's definitely running, because the space between the two, probably got a pretty wide jump from here to over there. I'd like to know what it is. This actually looks like a cat track, maybe a mountain lion, just a smaller one, but it looks like it was actually running up there away from the road. And over right here, this is actually a deer track, so it could have been tracking a deer at some point last night, because it's still fairly fresh. The rain hasn't washed it away. It says here that this is a known mountain lion area, so I'll bet those tracks back there that I saw were cat tracks.